In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on a Hyundai Accent 4th generation. I'll show you the whole process step by step, so make sure to watch until the end, because there are a few important details you should know before removing the panel. Let's get started. First, near the inside door handle, there is a small plastic cover. To remove the cover, you can use a plastic trim removal tool, but if you don't have one, a regular flathead screwdriver will also work. Carefully remove the cover, and now we have access to the screw. Use a screwdriver or a power screwdriver to loosen and remove it. After that, we can remove this black plastic trim around the door handle. To remove it, gently pull from the upper part toward you, and it should come off easily. Now we can move on to the next step. Here we have another small plastic cover. Remove it in the same way, and behind it, you will find the second screw. Remove this screw as well. Now we can start removing the door panel itself. The door panel is also held in place by several plastic clips, so it's best to start from the bottom of the door. Here you can see a small opening. Insert your screwdriver or plastic trim removal tool into this opening and gently lift the door panel. The clips should start releasing quite easily. Continue moving along the bottom and sides of the door, releasing the clips one by one. Try not to pull too hard on the panel. It's better to take your time and release each clip carefully. If you have a plastic trim removal tool, I highly recommend using it. It makes the job much easier and helps prevent scratches or damage to the plastic and the car body. Once all the clips are released, the door panel will become loose. There is one more plastic trim piece that we need to remove. This is the small trim piece next to the side mirror. To remove it, insert the plastic tool from the upper side and gently release the clips. Once it is released, pull it toward you and slightly upward. This way, it comes off easily. But before you pull it away completely, don't forget to disconnect the electrical connector for the power window controls. Press the locking tab on the connector and carefully disconnect it. And that's it. As you can see, we have successfully removed the door panel from the 4th generation Hyundai Accent. The whole process is quite simple. Just take your time, work carefully with the plastic clips, and make sure you disconnect the electrical connector before completely removing the panel.